Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your TikTok link to your Instagram account. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and tap on Share Profile. Here you will see the option of copying your link. Tap on that. Now close the app and go to your Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner and tap on Edit Profile. Here you will see the website option. You can copy your link from any website and paste it here. Now tap on that and paste your TikTok link. Now tap on the tick icon on top right corner to save it. And now if you tap on the link, it will take it to your TikTok account. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.